After playing Helltaker, you might be wondering, how are those pancakes made?
No? Too bad. We'll tell you anyways.
First, you need to solve this complex mathematical problem.
Now, combine everything like the ancient Belial summoning rituals, but with milk instead of blood.
Stir like your life depends on it. Get the pan hell hot and apply some oil, just enough for a single pancake. We will repeat this every time. Now the hard part, pouring the pancake as thin as possible. It requires inhuman reflexes, years of experience, and molecular perfect balance between flour and milk. Good luck. Cook for 1 minute. Flip it. Then cook for 40 seconds. Remove from the pan.
Now, let's fill them with chocolate spread. Choose your favorite kind. Apply the amount of adequate to the corruption of your soul. You were not going to live forever anyways.
I think you added too much. Even you are not this corrupt.
We already crossed the line, so let's add some bananas.
That escalated quickly. At least add some creme fraiche to break the ridiculous sweetness.
Fine.
If you don't have creme fraiche, try Greek yogurt instead.
The pancake is done. Congratulations. People burn in hell for lesser crimes.